Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck, and you guys can see my hair is flawless, so naturally I'm feeling myself. Today I've teamed up with SunberHair. They sent over this beautiful wavy closure wig, and I am rocking her 100% glueless. So if you want to see how we got this install and this fire look, let's get started. Okay, ladies, jumping right into it. This is our gorgeous wig straight out of the box. It's for sure giving wet and wavy. Here is a look at what she looks like when you receive your package. As you guys can see, we are wearing a very easy put on and go style wig, as she comes with pre-plucked lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. We also have that nice scalloped cut to make everything nice and natural, and then also this breathable adjustable elastic band. So here I am just giving you all of the looks of the wig before we put her on. Today we're rocking with Edge Booster, and it was a coincidence. So I already had the wax stick on hand, and then I ordered this edge control, and this was the only shade or color or scent that was available for like next day shipping. So I went ahead and ordered it, not realizing it was going to match the wax stick. So now I have a set. So I'm just using this generously to go in and just smooth out my edges and my baby hair so that everything can be pushed back and we can have a nice flat flawless install. Now you can put your wig on, and as you guys can see, this one fits like a dream. She fits glueless, she fits flat, even the lace is completely flat, and then with that nice soft wavy texture, it literally doesn't need much at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn her up a notch and make her even more flawless. But you guys can see, I mean, look at the hairline. She is flat, the hairline is nice and thin and natural, it fits glueless. Everything about this one is absolutely perfect. So literally, if you are a beginner, you don't have to fear, needing a stylist. This is one of those wigs, if you take it to your stylist to install, you really would be wasting your money because you don't need to at all. Here is what she looks like from the back. I love this texture, and of course all of the details as well as a direct link on mine are linked in the description box. Okay, so let's get started. I even like the way it looks when you do that like nice little flip over. I'm showing you here, you can definitely go for a side part with this one, and even the side part looks natural as all of the lace has really nice bleached knots. And of course, it's giving HD vibes. So for starters, we can just push the lace back, apply a generous amount of an extra hold hairspray. Any one will do, but my favorite happens to be the one from Bedeck, and I do get it from Target. Of course, I'll have it linked in the description box. And then from here, I kind of just use the comb as well as my fingers to kind of press it in. And as you guys can see, it's already melted in. You don't have to do much from here, but of course, I'm extra, so we're going to keep going. Today, I did want some micro baby hair. I feel like I haven't done that often on this channel, and it's literally where you just take like the ever so slightest amount of hair and pull it forward. You add a little bit of edge control to lay it in place, and you cut it super duper short. I mean, when I say short, I mean too short to swoop into a full curl. I'm adding a little extra of that wax against the hairline, so like basically along the front of the hairline, and you see how it adds that nice shine and it like lays everything down. Be careful when using edge control on any part of the hair outside of the edges because it can have a tendency to turn white, but I did like the look that it gave. And then I went in and swooped the baby hairs really nicely, and as you guys can see, when I say micro, that's exactly what I mean. They are so nice and thin and tiny. It just helps to kind of break up the hairline, if you will, and I really like this look. And then I took in the parting and I added a generous amount of that wax stick, and we are going in with the electric hot comb to really press it down. Now, as you guys seen from the beginning, this one already had a flat parting, so this step for sure is optional, but I think it just makes the hairline and the parting match really nicely since we did go in and turn up the hairline a notch. And then I went into my package and got a melt belt to go ahead and melt the lace down. This one is really nice yellow, and you guys can see they gave me two, so one for me and then the other I will give to you guys. So I'm going to apply that SunberHair melt belt along the hairline. hairline, and from there I will work on the ends. The hairline is going to melt super nicely. That product that we put on there is going to dry. The baby hair is going to form, and everything is going to just be all well with the world. Here I purchased this new wet brush, I think on Amazon. Yes, on Amazon. It has like a nice gold marble detail. Now I like this one, but I don't like it as much as my others. Miraculously, my other two magically disappeared. The girls love going into the drawers and taking our brushes that we use for our real hair. So eventually they'll pop up, but for now I had to go in and buy a new wet brush because no one seems to know what happened to the other. Here I am, and I'm just going in with some products. I did use a little bit of mousse, but I also did use that Aussie Moist leave-in. I like a little bit of an affordable leave-in conditioner for a little extra moisture, and at this point the hairline has time to dry, so we went ahead and pulled that out, and you guys can see how flawless the hairline is. I like to go in and press a little extra mousse, especially along the front, because sometimes that front will get really frizzy just from moving the hair around. And then from here I'm going to go in and tint the lace, which is extremely important. You guys can see my lace is already brown like me, but I just want to set it off and make it perfect. So in the parting I went in with Maybelline, and then in the hairline I did go in with that Ruby Kisses in the shade 16, and this is a mineral powder, so I love how flawless everything came out. This is a closure wig. Also I did add a little bit of Got to Be glue spray, and that was just something I had right there on hand to kind of break up that powder. You guys know when you add too much powder, it kind of looks powdery. Now that we're done with the look, I can go in and show you what was included in our package. So first of all, I love this iconic yellow. This is a glueless HD wig in the length 24 inches. And then here we do have an additional melt belt. As I mentioned, they did give us two. We also have the pack of HD wig caps, as well as these beautiful ombre press-on nails. Absolutely gorgeous. We also have this here, which is a hair pick. They have given me one of these in the past, and my son took over, so I'm happy to have another one because this one can for sure stay with me. And that's pretty much it, love bugs. I love this glueless HD wig from SunberHair. She's absolutely gorgeous. This video was filmed over a week ago, and this has been my everyday wig. She gets me through the gym without bonding her down. She gets me through carpool, picking the kids up, dropping them off, taking them to dance. Super simple and easy to apply and reapply, and she doesn't tangle. So that is a win for me. Again, I have all the details as well as a direct link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.